Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add volume and two cute styles using the Virgin Hair Depot clip-ins. So if you're interested in how to use clip-ins, stay tuned to this So the first thing we're going to do is take the clip-ins. These are Virgin Hair Depot clipped-in clip-ins. Super pretty and gorgeous. And this is the 1B dark chocolate in an 18-inch. So my clip-ins are the same length as my natural hair, but I just wanted to add some volume and maybe do a cute little braid today. So I am using the 220 gram clip-ins. That's the largest pack that we sell. And let's begin. So what you're going to need is your clips from Virgin Hair Depot, some clips to hold your hair up, and a comb to part your sections off so that you can clip your hair in. So the first thing I'm going to do is start at the nape of my back, and I just part it, you know, where I want my first clip to be. Clip my hair out of the way. And your clip-ins come in different sizes. So you get some long ones. And I should have done this prior to starting the video, but for the most part, there it was already organized. So now this is just the way I like to do it. I like to start with this. I'd say this is a 4-inch, 3 to 4 inch clip. And I like to start with this one. It has two clips on it. And I start with this one because it's the size of my nape parting. And what you do is you just slide it into the hair and snap it securely and tight. And it's not moving. Perfect. And you continue to do this. And just grab the clip that is the same size of your parting. Until you are at the top. Already I'm starting to tell a difference. So I wore these clips the other day and I got so many comments and compliments on them. And I kind of just decided to give my hair a break from the traditional weaves, frontals, closures. This is a larger one, and it has 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one is one that goes around the entire perimeter here. So I like to start in the middle with the 2 clips and secure those in place. And then I stretch it out as far as it will go to the side. And then clip it in. This gives you that sturdiness. They're not going to come out. They're not going to, you know, fall out or anything like that. They're extra, extra secure. So now I'm going to do the last one. And I do have 4 more pieces, but just because I'm still going for a halfway natural look, I'm not going to use those additional 4 pieces because it's a lot of hair. So I'm not going to use those additional 4 pieces. So I'm going to put one more piece in. And this literally is a 5-minute style. You know, again, I'm just over closures and frontals and sew-ins, and it's just so much. And there we go. So they're all installed. And then I'm going to leave this portion out just so that it blends better. And there you go. And now you have full volume. And I love this style. And I get so many compliments. And because it looks so natural, people can't even believe that it's not my hair. So ladies, you don't have to go drag queen all the time with these frontals and everything. You can still get a cute natural look, you know, with some 5-minute clips. Again, these are sold at Virgin Hair Depot. The brand is called Klipped, and they are actually super, super cute. So if you want to see me style these, because I'm not going to wear my hair like this today, if you want to see me do a cute 5-minute fishtail, well, faux fishtail braid, stay tuned. Click the next video. Bye.